Money is everywhere, but understanding it, that's rare. Most people think financial success comes from spreadsheets, calculators, or complex strategies. But what if I told you that your emotions, behavior, and mindset play a far bigger role? In this video, we're re-breaking down The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, a book that will reshape the way you think about wealth. Stay with me till the end as I walk you through 20 powerful money truths that will elevate your financial intelligence and possibly change your life. Lesson 1. Doing well with money has little to do with intelligence. It's not about being the smartest. It's about being emotionally disciplined. The best investors aren't geniuses. They're people who can control their impulses when it matters most. Lesson 2. Luck and risk are two sides of the same coin. Never judge success or failure in isolation. Yes. Bill Gates became a tech giant because of talent. Yes. But also because he had access to a computer lab when almost no one else did. Don't copy outcomes. Understand context. Lesson 3. Getting wealthy versus staying wealthy, two completely different skills. Getting rich requires risk, courage, and optimism. Staying rich requires humility, frugality, and fear of loss. Protect your gains. Lesson 4. Save money. No matter what you earn, you don't need a six-figure salary to build wealth. Saving is the gap between your ego and your income. Live below your means always. Lesson 5. Wealth is what you don't see: fancy cars, designer clothes, luxury trips. That's spending, not wealth. Real wealth is invisible. It's savings, it's investments, it's freedom. Lesson 6. Compounding is magic, but only if you let it work. Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after age 50. Why? Time plus patience equals power. Start early. Stay invested. Let time do the heavy lifting. Lesson 7. You'll never be happy if you keep moving the goalpost. Enough is the antidote to envy. If you're always chasing more, you'll never feel rich. Define what's enough for you and build your life around it. Lesson 8. Your financial decisions don't have to make sense to anyone else. We all have different experiences with money. What works for someone else may not work for you, and that's okay. Personal finance is personal. Lesson 9. Tail events drive everything, a small number of big wins. In investments, careers, relationships shape most outcomes. Focus on staying in the game long enough to catch your tail event. Lesson 10. Time is the greatest money multiplier. Time is your greatest financial asset. Save early, invest long, and give your money the time to grow. No shortcuts. Lessons 11. Lightning round. Greed kills more wealth than bad investments. The ability to do what you want when you want equals real wealth. You're not lazy. You're overwhelmed. Simplify. Be financially unbreakable. Avoid ruin. Patience beats brilliance over the long run. Lesson 16. Independence is the ultimate goal. The true value of money is the freedom it buys you. It's not about being flashy. It's about having control over your time, energy, and decisions. Lesson 17. The seduction of pessimism. People love doom and gloom headlines. But in the long run, optimism wins. Stay grounded, stay rational, but never stop believing in progress. Lesson 18. Beware of lifestyle creep. More income often leads to more spending. Fight this by anchoring your happiness to purpose, not possessions. Avoid the treadmill of dissatisfaction. Lesson 19. No one's crazy. Just differently informed. Everyone makes money decisions based on their unique background. Before you judge or copy someone's moves, understand their reality. Lesson 20. Define your own success. There's no universal formula for wealth. Success might mean peace, freedom, or family time. Align your money habits with your own values, not society's. So here's your challenge. What's one money habit you'll improve starting today? Drop it in the comments below. If this video sparked a new mindset, hit that like button. Subscribe for weekly breakdowns of powerful self-development books that will sharpen your mindset and your money. Because the best investment is the one you make in yourself.